Hey everybody, Luke here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of my Virgin Atlantic by Gemini Jets. It's the A340-600, and this just came in the mail today. I'm pretty excited about it. I haven't even opened it yet, so this is the first time I'm opening it. This is also my first Gemini Jets, and my first 400 model. So the box is pretty generic. It's really pretty cool though, considering most Gemini boxes aren't like this, but just on the front it has Virgin Atlantic and the logo. The side, it just has the sticker for the price tag thing. Back it just says Virgin Atlantic Airbus A340-600, and it has the registration, which is G-VNAP. Alright, then down here it has the all the information on where it was made and stuff, a barcode. When we open the flap, you can see the model. It comes with one of these cards, which is this is a limited edition. This is number 2,913 out of 3,880, which I'm pretty cool about. And I found out that this model actually sold out, so I'm really happy to have this. And it just has the type of plane, the people from Gemini Jets and Virgin Atlantic, their autograph. It's not their actual autograph, but you know. Alright, so that's pretty cool. Alright, then you can see the model. Alright, give me 1 second. Alright, so here's the actual model in the box. Sorry about the camera work there, guys. This one actually comes with a stand, which I've been told that Gemini models don't actually come with them too often, so that's pretty cool. I'll get the stand out later. Alright. Then the plastic that covers the model. Put it over there. Alright, and now to the actual model, which I don't want to. It's a very heavy model for its size. That's the first thing I can notice. Very nice detail. I'm just gonna give you a second to look around it. Okay. So now for my first Gemini model, I'm gonna have to say that this is extremely high detailed and much more high detailed than the Hogan models, and I'll do a little showing thing here. It's just as long as my 1/200 JetBlue A320, so that's saying how big this A340 is, and I'm in love with this as soon as I see it. Very nice. This is amazing. It's at least 2 pounds, I would have to say, of metal. Very nice detail up here. I don't know if you can see that. But that's very cool. Landing gear, do not roll, but it's just for show, so you don't need it to roll. Alright guys, so that's my review today of the Virgin Atlantic A340-600 by Gemini Jets in 400. This model is actually sold out, and it's a limited edition, like I said before. This is number 2,913 out of 3,880. So thanks for watching, and now enjoy some pictures of the model that I'm taking right now. Thanks.